Well, guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Welcome back, guys, on the hot railroad of Kiamichi Railroad. So, welcome back to the hot rails of Kiamichi Railroad, guys, known as KRR, guys. I'm back, guys. I came from vacation, guys, from South Texas, guys, Houston, Galveston, Lamar County. I am back from there. So, guys, welcome back, guys. Man, I had fun. I done released a Union Pacific video. I'm going to release another one for y'all to see. I caught two of them, and I caught the first one on Saturday, and I caught the last one on Sunday before I left to come home to here to Oklahoma, where I'm at right now, guys. So, guys, man, I tell you what, I wouldn't mind living down there now. Woo! It's train chasing all year around. It's so warm down there. I don't even have to have a jacket on. But it was fun and good chasing a freight train in the cold and the warm. It was a little bit cold, but not as bad as here. But, guys, I had fun, and I'm going back next month. So I'm gonna be down there filming a freight train for 7 days. And so I get more U.S. Union Pacific videos and stuff like that, and catch them and wave at them. I waved at them, and they waved at me back, but you can't tell because the windows are tint, and I never gave up at it and something like that, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, owned by KRR, known as KRR, owned by the Geneseo, Wyoming corporations, guys. Hope y'all like this video, guys. Link and subscribe, guys. I'm wearing my sunglasses right now. So guys, right now it's a little bit bright out here, and so guys, you know, guys, there they go. Just pan around the corner on the way to Hugo. I caught them last night. My phone cut out on me, so it didn't get it filmed or anything. So guys, there they go. And all right, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Railroad Shortlines. Kiamichi Railroad, known as KRR. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Marshing out. I like saying it again twice, guys. There goes my good friends. They're driving the morning train to Hugo, and they drove the train from Hugo to Ashdown, and so they're doing it a couple more times, so, and stuff like that, guys. And I had a girl looking at me down there, though. I had a good there was a nice good girl. I didn't know what she was until my brother told me it was a girl, and then I started figuring out when she started talking and stuff like that, guys, and I didn't know what she was until my brother said it, and then she started saying everybody in their seats, everything on the ride, everything like that. And so she was pretty. She was a pretty woman. So, and I went nah at her, or that's not probably what I was doing. My mom was talking about something, and she might have thought I was talking about her. So, but hey, you know, like, I had a good time down there. Caught Union Pacific freight trains. Caught 2 of them. I love it. Refinery trains. So guys, you know what I have to do when I do at a railroad crossing, guys. So, all right, guys. Please be careful. Please be safe. And always, please watch for oncoming freight trains. And also, don't go around the caution gates, which those are there for. And please listen to the lights and stuff, guys, and the signs put there, including crossing bucks, stuff like that, guys. And oh yeah, guys, one more thing. I heard about the coal train derailing up the line on Boachia on Kiamichi Railroad. I don't know what happened. I heard about it. I'm about to ask my train guy, my train friends, known as my train buddies. They might tell me why made the coal train tip over and derail, but there's an investigation on that. So maybe I might find out about why the coal train tipped over on the Kiamichi Railroad. So guys, I'm sad that happened. I hate seeing trains derail and stuff like that, guys. I hate it. But so that's the reason why I think that the cross tie gave away, because the cross ties are so corroded. I think that's the reason why they're bringing in fresh cross ties and replacing some of these. So stuff like that, guys. So it's sad seeing those coal cars destroyed and going to the scrap pile. But there's always more to replace those. So don't you worry, guys. So guys, alright, catch you guys later. Marshall out, thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Thank you for watching the hot rails, guys. Woo! Catch you guys next time. Marshall out, thanks for watching. Don't forget to link and subscribe. If you haven't linked and subscribed, please subscribe if you do, and press the like button if you like, or you will, or you don't. It don't matter, but please do. Please do. I'm sorry. Alright, guys, Marshall out, thanks for watching. This goes for you, Railroad fan.